Acceptance and commitment therapy, also known as ACT, is a form of psychotherapy that focuses on accepting complex thoughts and emotions, while committing to actions that align with personal values. It is based on the idea that suffering is a natural part of life and that individuals can lead more meaningful and fulfilling lives by accepting and embracing it. Acceptance and commitment therapy worksheets are valuable resources that accompany ACT sessions and help individuals apply the principles and techniques of ACT in their daily lives. These worksheets are practical tools to facilitate the therapeutic process and promote self-reflection, awareness, and personal growth. The worksheets typically consist of exercises, activities, and guided questions to encourage individuals to explore their thoughts, emotions, and behaviors. They often cover various aspects of ACT, including mindfulness, acceptance, cognitive diffusion, values clarification, and committed actions. To use our acceptance and commitment worksheet, follow these steps. Download our acceptance and commitment worksheet from the Carepatron platform, which you can find in the link in the description. Firstly, provide clear and concise instructions on how to use the worksheet. Use a step-by-step guidance to ensure individuals understand what is expected of them. Make sure the language is easy to comprehend and follow. Next, allocate sufficient space for individuals to write their responses or complete the exercises. Ensure the layout is user-friendly and allows for organized and legible entries. Present the specific exercise or activity for individuals to engage with. Clearly describe the purpose of the exercise and its relevance to ACT principles. Provide any additional instructions or guidance necessary to complete the exercise. Include thought-provoking questions related to the exercise or activity. These questions encourage individuals to reflect on their experiences, thoughts, and emotions. They serve as prompts for deeper self-awareness and insight. Offer suggestions or examples on how individuals can apply the insights gained from the exercise to their daily lives. This helps bridge the gap between the worksheet and real-world situations, fostering integration and practical use of ACT principles. Conclude the worksheet with a summary or closing remark. Reinforce the importance of regular practice and emphasize that the worksheet is a tool for personal growth and self-discovery. Provide recommendations for individuals to explore further resources or activities related to the worksheet topic, if they wish to continue their ACT practice beyond the worksheet. Here is a sample of our acceptance and commitment worksheet, which you can find on our Carepatron platform. To find our acceptance and commitment worksheet, go to our Carepatron platform or click on the link in the description. In our template section, we have a variety of templates and worksheets for you to use with your patients. You can filter or type in the keywords to find the worksheet. Thank you for watching our video at Carepatron. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like. If you would like to see more videos like these, subscribe to our Carepatron channel or click on one of our recommended videos.